You want a new twist on your chicken pot pie? Try the Cheddar Bay Biscuits topping. It's going to be good. Welcome to Aunt Sandy's Kitchen, and today we are going to be making chicken pot pie casserole with Cheddar Bay Biscuit mix. I love them biscuits at Red Lobster, so come along with me and I'm going to show you how to do it. Well, we're going to start with 1 stick of butter. Now, isn't that little? I'm going to pour it. I've sprayed the pan. Make sure it's all covered on the bottom. Then we're going to add your chicken. This is, I boiled it, chopped it up. Chicken. When I made my chicken stock, this is 10 ounces of, this is mixed vegetables, but you can put carrots and peas in there if you want to. But this is just a vegetable mix. Spread that out. I've got salt, pepper, garlic, onion powder, and thyme. I'm going to spread this over there on my vegetables. Kind of like a dump cake, except it's a dump chicken pot pie. Then we're going to take our Red Lobster mix, and you put the little seasoning package in there. And I'm going to take 2 cups of milk and a 1/2 cup of cheddar cheese. And we're going to mix that up. I usually put, on top of my chicken pot pie, I usually put homemade biscuits on there. But I saw this recipe and I said, what the heck? I love them biscuits. So if this is a liquid topping you want to put on top of it, that's even better. So we're going to pour this on top of it. We're going to take a cup of chicken broth. That's the chicken broth I made, homemade yesterday. And 1 can of chicken cream of soup. I've preheated my oven to 350, and I'm doing this in a 9 by 13 pan. I'm going to mix that. And we're going to pour this right on top. No mixing. Just pour right on top. And we're going to let it cook between 45 and 55 minutes, depending on your oven. I'll check it at 45 minutes. And then we'll show you the end product. With this chicken, I made chicken breast, and I made my own stock yesterday, but you can use rotisserie chicken or the stock in a box, whichever one you want. I've taken the casserole, chicken casserole out of the oven. It was in there about 55 minutes. And cut a piece, and look how good it looks. Nice and juicy and full of vegetables, golden brown. Let's taste it. I love those cheddar cheese biscuits. The topping on this is delicious, and I hope you try it. Something different. Check out my Etsy store for Aunt Sandy's Kitchen merchandise. Thank you for watching my videos, and as always, God bless.